got it. Get your little butt in there. Get your little butt in there. Oh, yeah. If you don't pull your pants up, Anthony, pull your pants up. A cop's gonna pull you over for having your pants out. What? Anthony, pull your pants up. Did you write that? You gotta get that in. Gotta get the west side in there. We gotta put Ant in there.